Hi, I'm Era. I post gacha related videos on this channel. Today, I'll show you a very simple way to shade hair. The app I'm using is Krita, but you can also follow this tutorial with other apps like Ibis Paint, Medibang Paint, and more. And here is a preview of the result. Make sure you already separated the head and background so you can use the clipping layer properly. First, I'll make a clipping layer to the base of the head. This will appear slightly different in Ibis Paint or other applications, but pretty much everything will be the same, so you don't have to worry. I set the blending mode of the layer into multiply, and this is optional, but I'm adding tint to the base. But first, I'm going to clean up the highlights from the base. Now, I'll just add a desaturated color that I chose. You can pick any color that you like, depending on your preference or the lighting situation. Finally, I'm creating the main layer for shading. And don't forget to keep all the layers clipped. For the shading, I'll mainly use a hard sharp pen. This pen is also called hard tip pen on Ibis Paint. But for the first step, I'll use an airbrush pen to darken the area below the highlights. As for the color, you just need to use the eyedrop tool on the base color of the hair. After that's done, clean up the excess. Before you shade, you should know where the direction of the lights will come. In this tutorial, I'll set the direction of the light on the center top of the head. Same as before, I'll take the color of the base of the hair to shade, but now I'll make it slightly lighter and more saturated. Now we can start shading, but always keep in mind the direction of the light so you know where the shadow will be. For the next step, you will erase or add a lighter color on the inside part of the shadow. This part should be fast and not take too much time. Now, I'm making another layer for the highlights. The blending mode of the layer should be add or addition. The color of the light I chose is warm, and I adjusted it to lean more to the opposite color of the base color. Then, I'll shape it like the alphabet U to go around the top of the head. Clean up the parts where the light doesn't hit. We're going to shape the highlight like this. Now that it's done, I'll add in extra steps for more details. Here, I'm adding extra light to go around the top area of the head. Blend the color of the hair and face with an overlay layer. Also add some more on the area where the light hits. By doing this, the color will appear richer. Add another layer, but normal, and blend the colors more, on the face and with the background. I felt like the highlights were lacking, so I added more gloss. This part is where you recheck and do cleanup. And now it's finally done. Thanks for stopping by. Hope this helped.